Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go in with this one to show you how you can do that, and just press for a while with your finger on your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Go there, and right now you can see and select one from the available widgets. For example, I'll go in with the clock one and just press for a while on the clock and move it on the position where you want to add the widget. For example, we'll go with this position. Now also you can see that you can move your widget here on the screen or between the screens. That doesn't matter. And also you can change the size of your widget by this way, just swap with your finger. Also we can just add one more widget here by the same way. Just repeat the actions, go to the settings, to the widgets icon, and for example we'll add the calendar, and by the same way just drag it here, and you can also change the size. If you want to just remove the widgets, press for a while and drag it here to the remove icon by this way. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.